Magandang hapon po ng October 30, 2025 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng October 30, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral ng basa para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, October 30, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for October 30, 2025 Thursday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, October 30, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for October 30, 2025, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.